The gateway provides an optional, comprehensive and cost-free data access request management solution for data custodians. The Gateway Data Access Request module allows your team to tailor a data access request form, aligned to the 5 Safes framework, as well as review and manage submitted requests through an easy-to-use, web-based interface. In order to create a data access request form, you must have Data Access Request Manager permissions configured within your data custodian team. Next, click Data Access Requests within the left-hand panel, followed by Manage Templates. Then create New Template. Currently, you can set up a web-based form, with the option of uploading a file-based template in the future. Here, you can build your form according to questions from the 5 Safes framework. Use the navigation panel on the left-hand side to move through the section headings. Any questions that are mandatory within the standard, shown by the padlock, will already be populated on the left-hand side. Questions that are optional for data custodians to add are shown on the right. To add questions, simply drag and drop from right to left, like this. You can also adjust the question order, like this. Any questions highlighted in red denote mandatory completion for the user, regardless of whether it is already part of the standard, or pulled from the question bank list on the right. By clicking on the pencil against each question, you can tailor the associated guidance, regardless of whether it is mandatory or not. You can also mark optional questions as required if you wish. If you try to move to a different section of the form, you will be prompted to save your changes, like this. At the end of the form, there is a section that can be added to enable users to upload any documents as part of their application. Clicking the Preview button in any section will show the form from the user's perspective. Once you are ready for the form to be made live, click Make Active at the top of the screen. This will enable the form for all datasets and biosamples uploaded by your team. You can change active and draft templates at any time by clicking Manage Templates. Click the icons on the right-hand side to edit, duplicate or delete the template. An active template can be returned to draft, and vice versa, by clicking Edit, followed by the corresponding button within the form builder. To review submitted data access requests, click Applications in the left-hand panel. Here, those with Data Access Request Manager permissions can manage requests that have been submitted, approved, rejected, or are in review. There is a status timeline against each application, as well as the details of the applicant, project title, and the datasets they've requested. There is also the option to download any submitted application to review offline, regardless of status, by clicking this arrow. To review an application, click the pencil on the right-hand side. Here, you can review the answers submitted by the applicant. Clicking the Messages section will allow you to correspond with the applicant directly, like this. Any responses from the applicant will be documented here. Once you are ready to make a decision on an application, click Manage Application Status. There is the option to return the submitted request back to the user to redraft, or approve or reject the form. Comments can also be included with the decision and the applicant will be notified accordingly. If you need any help or support, contact the HDR UK technology team via the contact details shown on screen.